Where the fuck is it? Wait, is it here? It's just on the other side or what? Did I park at the wrong spot? Oh shit, it is here. Wait, did someone crash it in the water? No fucking way. Why is it marked in the water? What the fuck? No way. What the fuck's up?
Yo.
What's popping?
What's going on, Baba? What's your name?
What's that?
I said, what's your name?
Mike.
Mike. What up, Mike?
How you doing?
Nada, chill.
Just straight up walked out of there.
Well, how embarrassing is this?
What's that?
I guess I'm gonna have to swim and get my car that someone just drove in the fucking lake.
Oh.
Yeah, you ain't getting that car.
No?
You aren't getting that out.
No.
Nah.